Investment opportunities in Slovenia and Europe. The first speaker of this panel is Matjaž Javšnik, Slovenian actor, producer, and festival director, which I invite him on the stage here with us. Matjaž, you're going to present us how smart, beautiful nature can be included in cultural industry, if I am correct. What is the secret formula, if we say like this, for intertwining the culture, high culture with the environment?
Spoštovani,
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank the organizers for the invitation and for your time to listen to me. I'm Matjaž Javšnik. I'm an actor, producer, and a festival director. I've been working in film industry for some 30 years and more than 15 years with festivals. I'm director of 3 festivals. The first one is the Festival of Salt in Piran, the Child Creativity in July, in 4 different parts, and more than 10,000 children take part. The second one is the Festival of European and Mediterranean Festival, also in Piran for 10 years, and the third one is the festival in Kranjska Gora. This year it was the 5th edition, and it has been expanding very quickly. We have decided to integrate the 3 festivals in one. So the International Film Festival in Kranjska Gora. So we have a very strong board, and our activity is focused on education and networking of young in film industry. So our focus is on workshops and master classes, and we also focus on post-festival events such as roundtables and VIP events where the representatives of the media, film industry, diplomacy, and others gather and associate. So our festival has been growing substantially, so we have set our goals, and of course, we need someone to introduce itself or himself on the market. Maybe some of you may join us under our festival slogan. The second field is film production. At the moment, we have in pre- and post-production 1 short and 1
življenje ne samo v Evropi, ampak tudi na drugih kontinentih. Vložki v te
movies, so 50,000 members and €1.5 million, and the largest project will reach up to 5 million. And our intention is, so when we talk about Slovenia as a space where films, so we can say that Slovenia is an open film studio. We have very good infrastructure flow. We have access to all major cities in neighboring countries. So in the morning you can actually make a film under the mountains, and in the evening you can catch the sunset in Piran and the coast. So organically the story has been growing. First we have actually discovered Bollywood, and Bollywood movies have been produced in Slovenia. Then all major advertising agencies have get to know us from the US, Asia, and elsewhere. So for the film to be appropriately represented and could make the necessary profits, what we need is to have a film school and to have a film studio providing all services necessary for the shooting outside the sets. And the investment is between 5 to 7 million euros to actually meet the high production standards. The project is being developed, and the risks in this industry are decreasing because of the increase in platforms. Since I know that your time is precious, I invite you, if any of you is interested in getting involved in any of these projects, you can contact me. You can see my email address. I'll stay in Bled today and tomorrow, and now I would like to thank you for your patience and give the floor to other speakers. So thank you, Kristen, for the warning. Tomorrow at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I have a stand-up show for all the participants of this conference and the local population here near the lake. So thank you.